Dave and I are pretty competitive and we like to play games. When the weather is bad or we don't want to drag out the board and tiles or cards, we will play an electronic game. I actually created this game, which we call Dis or Dat. I created an electronic version similar to a board game I used to play as a kid and added my own rules. We play it on the computer screen or we mirror it on the TV screen. The game is played by two people and uses X's and O's. You can flip a coin to see who goes first on the first game, and the winner of each game gets to go first on the following game. The first 4 X's or O's go in the center yellow squares. The object is to trap your opponent's marks, red O's or green X's, between 2 of your own marks in a horizontal, vertical, or diagonal row. Then change your opponent's marks over to your color and to your mark. You receive points every time you change your opponent's marks to your color. You lose points when your opponent changes your marks back over to their color. The boxes will automatically turn green for X's and red for O's. The score will be calculated for you automatically. It tracks the numbers of X's and O's that are on the board at any given time. To make it more interesting, there is a double X and double O for a double score. Plus there's a stop that can be used to prevent your opponent from changing your marks to theirs. The winner is determined by who has the most colored marks on the board at the end of the game when there are no more moves. If you think you'd like to play this electronic game and have Excel on your computer, you can purchase it for $3 by sending us a donation through the links provided in the description below. It will come with the instructions as well. We appreciate your support. This is a game that Dave and I played. You'll notice that the score goes back and forth as who's winning the game. Hope it looks like it might be fun for you guys. It was for me. I won. Again, if you'd like to purchase it, check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. We'd love to hear from you in the comments below, even if it's just to say hi. Don't forget to subscribe.